If this is destiny, I hope we can find Rachel. I miss her, Max. This shit pit has taken away everyone I've ever loved. I'd like to drop a bomb on Arcadia Bay and turn it to fucking glass.
Don't worry, Kate. Things will get better. I promise.
My life is already over.
Kate, your life is still yours. And we can get through this together. Let me help.
This is my storm. I caused this. I caused all of this. Max, you finally came back to me this week, and you did nothing but show me your love and friendship. You made me smile and laugh like I haven't done in years. Being together this week, it was the best farewell gift I could have hoped for. You're my hero, Max.
Max, you are being so fucking strange. You feel okay?
Chloe, I am awesome. We are awesome.
Listen, Max. My respiratory system is failing, and it's only getting worse. This isn't how I want things to end.
What are you saying?
I'm saying that being with you again has been so special. I just wanted to feel like when we were kids running around Arcadia Bay and everything was possible, and you made me feel that way today. I want this time with you to be my last memory. Damn, you're hardcore, Max. Now I can text Warren and tell him he doesn't stand a chance. Unless he's into girl-on-girl action. I'm so proud of you for following your dreams. Don't forget about me. Never. I love you, Max. See you around.